With the permission of chief guest, we begin with the middle punch demonstration. Middle punches are powerful forward strikes aimed at the opponent's midsection. You can see the middle punch. Next, the upper punch. The upper punch targeting the chin or nose area. Now the lower punch, swift, delivered with force and accuracy. Watch closely as they combine techniques. 1 count, 4 punches. Upper middle punches followed by lower middle punches. Now the elbow punches. It is a short range strike often used when opponent is too close. Now here comes the round punch. Sweeping strikes for maximum impact from the side. Now once again the middle punch, precision and power executed in perfect rhythm. They are now on the right stance. Now they in the back stance. Upper strike, middle strike, elbow hit, lower strike and the elbow upper hook. Now the team demonstrating blocking techniques. Left hand block, head block, left elbow block, right elbow block, double hand middle block and double hand head block for maximum protection. Now we will demonstrate the real life combat scenarios. In the first scenario, in a live action, one lady face off against a miscreant. Using speed and technique, in combination of punches and kicks, she brings down the miscreants on the ground. Now they are demonstrating a sudden provoked street fight scenario. You can see quick reflexes, tactical footwork, disabling strikes and the conflict within a second. Now a person takes on 2 attackers armed with lathi and pistol. Watch how to counter this type of attack with controlled, decisive movements and overpowering them with lightning fast moves. Now we will witness another fierce fight. 2 ladies stand strong against 2 miscreants. A round kick, a punch in combination to a flying kick. Proving skill can overpower size and strength. Now 1-to-1 combat where the attackers uses a lathi. The precise block, agility with strength and then counter strikes to end the threat. In the next scenario, they will demonstrate a close combat pistol attack scenario. The person barehandedly disarming techniques to take control of the weapon. The armed attackers are brought under the control with a combination of flying kick followed by a punch. And now witness incredible agility as the participants perform a flawless dive roll over 4 persons. Ladies and gentlemen, this act demands perfect timing, body control and the fearless execution. Now, for one of the most daring acts of the day, these fearless warriors leap through a blazing ring of fire without any safety aid. This stunt demands not only physical agility but also tremendous mental courage. Each jump is a testament to their intense training, discipline, and unshakable spirit. And now, for the display of raw resilience, strength and endurance, tube lights will be shattered on their bare bodies without any protection. First, the female participants take the blow on her thighs. Next, two participants hit across their backs, absorbing the full impact with the control and focus. This is followed by two more participants breaking tube lights on their abdomen. At last, another female participant, showing their strength, conditioning, training and sheer determination. To conclude this spectacular display, all participants now come together to form a magnificent human formation. This formation is not just about strength, but perfect balance, coordination and trust in one another. Standing tall as one unit, they symbolize the unity, discipline and indomitable spirit of the force. सीना ताने खड़े हैं तूफानों के सामने, हौसले नहीं झुकते मौत के नाम पे। हम हैं वो दीवार जो देश संभालती है, CISF है वो ताकत जो हर खतरे को टालती है। Ladies and gentlemen, this was a spectacular demonstration of unarmed combat, where discipline meets determination and skill triumphs over the force. Please give a huge round of applause for these brave and talented warriors. Jai Hind!
Now we have a special announcement by our Director HR.